Hi there and welcome to Cars, Drones, Computers. Today we're going to be going over a quick little, hopefully 2-minute or under, Osmo Pocket Expansion Kit review. So in the box you'll get your little adapter mount that can hook to a GoPro mount. Has a little bit of a hard to use clasp, but it is pretty stiff and seems pretty quality. Inside there's little pieces of rubber here to hold it really tightly. Also, if you see these two little grooves right here, these you have to take off that little plastic cover that goes right over there in order to use this mount. I wish they would have probably omitted that, but I guess they did that so that way it's in the proper alignment. It also comes with this controller wheel assembly. Let me go ahead and take that off, show you guys. It's got your 8 little contact points in the back. Nice little wheel. This controls your up and down, and you can also do side to side if you switch this little dip switch over. So once you do that, you also have this, which is your FPV, tilt locked, and follow modes. And then this right here, if you press that button, that will bring it around to selfie mode instead of having to click this button 3 times in order to do the same thing. It also comes right here with this little wireless. So this has a soft rubber ring right here on the bottom. It has a USB Type-C right here. USB Type-C right here in the back, so you can charge this while it sits in the mount. And this is Wi-Fi 2.4 or 5.8 gigahertz. It fits pretty tight, probably because of my camo skin on here, but either way, you want it to hold it pretty firm. So that way you can do your motion lapses from your phone and then control this, and then you don't have to worry about bumping it, and especially for setting your control points. Of course, if you have any of these accessories on, you ain't gonna be able to put it in the included carry case. Now, you can use this GoPro mount with the base if you want to control it wirelessly, but you cannot use this with that obviously because you need these little grooves to line up with the slot. Overall, it does add a more substantial feel to the Osmo Pocket, and I feel like I'm less likely to drop it because I have this, and they even angled that so your fingers fit nicely underneath it. So it's a pretty solid little thing now. I actually think I'm going to keep it this way instead of putting it in its carry case. So overall, is it worth the money? Well, this is about $20 on the website. $60 for the control wheel, $60 for the wireless module. Altogether, that adds up to $140. If you add in the $10 for the 32 gigabyte SD card that's also included, you'll find it by your manuals in the package. It's a pretty good deal. So that's $150 and you only spent about $109. This took about a week to get here from China via FedEx and just arrived today. So I thought I'd give you guys a quick little overview and rundown. If you are thinking about buying it, I recommend it. If you need just this and one device, probably buy those separately. But if you need 2 of these more expensive for $60 a piece, that's $120. So you might as well get this and the SD card for free and still save a little bit of money. By the way too, these here are not included in the box. I wish they would have included something like this here. I just got a little knockoff version, but ooh, thumb screw or something. So you at least use it on a tripod or maybe one of the little GoPro style clicky ones, but all you get is just this little adapter piece. I guess it's up to you to go buy something else. Still like it way better than using this little contraption with this 3D printed part and all of these other things and a handlebar mount to mount it onto a tripod. Also in the future, I'll be doing a little review here of these ND filters. And by the way, if you have already purchased one of these ND filters, go ahead and flip them over so that way all the magnets face out. So then you can just take the Osmo Pocket and basically they'll come right off real easy and you don't have to get your fingerprints on. So thank you all for watching Cars, Drones, Computers, and y'all have a good day. Bye for now.